Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of online entrepreneurship with a comprehensive review of Legendary Marketer. If you've been curious about this platform and whether it's the right fit for you, you're in the right place. I'm Timotheus and let's jump right in. Legendary Marketer, founded by industry veteran David Sharp, is an online education platform designed to guide individuals through the intricacies of online marketing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this platform claims to have something for everyone. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First up, the diverse course catalog. Legendary Marketer offers a range of courses from foundational concepts to advanced strategies. The content is top-notch, with video tutorials, downloadable resources, and quizzes to reinforce your learning. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The cost can be a significant factor, especially for those on a budget, and be prepared for some upselling within the platform. While the initial investment gets you access to core content, there's a consistent effort to promote additional products and upsell to higher tier memberships. Now let's talk about the user experience. Legendary Marketer boasts an intuitive interface making navigation a breeze. You can seamlessly transition between devices from desktop to smartphones without compromising the learning experience. And the progress tracking and analytics features allows you to monitor your journey and stay accountable. One of the most compelling aspects is the success stories within Legendary Marketer community. Users have shared their real-life transformations, showcasing diverse paths to success. These stories serve as both an inspiration and validation of the platform's effectiveness. Now here's the exciting part. If you're ready to take your digital entrepreneurship journey to the next level, I've included a link in the description below where you can sign up for Legendary Marketer. Go to the description, click on the link, explore the platform, and who knows, you might just be the next success story we're talking about. In conclusion, Legendary Marketer is a comprehensive platform with strengths and weaknesses. It's not a one-size-fits-all, but for those committed to learning and growing their online business, the investment might just be worthwhile. As always, this review is based on my experience and individual results may vary. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll catch you in the next video. Happy learning. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.